You see me gone, we don't know about which. Yeah, yeah. Are you seeing life? Then get to cheat off our taste, but then did you feel lonely? I'm alright. Those are the niggas that you told up, but damn, I be feeling sorry. Sorry for me. That's all I would say. Make the Lord forgive me. Life is not easy, I know. Had to survive, but my mother's market. My mama see she said a bucket. She said, son, no, you have to make it. That's why man back in the street. My father gone to the graveyard. Can't forget the struggle, my mom and my brother. You see them thing that I no play dog. Hey yo yo.
Like a thing you doesn't really my pain now. But you got the money, I'm okay dog. You never ever know when I got face on. You never angers, I can difference. And I'm so sorry. Kananda kakupindura rao. And that day wasn't feeling myself. And I'm so sorry. Kananda kakuchatira hapo, you might think did you see life? Then they teach you to for a taste, but then did you feel alone? I'm alright. Those are the things that you tell me, but damn, I be feeling sorry.
Yeah, had to take the hard way out. This life is not by choice. Me don't suffer for a long time, yeah. Till I cry in the sound of my voice.
Sorry for me.